H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys, how we are different from our competitors. 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus, one-time fee and lifetime access to classes, access to recorded sessions of live classes. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For a free demo class, visit us at h2kinfosys.com.
Hello. Hi everybody. This is Priya here. Okay, all of you can hear me? All the participants? Yes. So we were discussing on the quality center. And under the quality center, I was creating the test case for you. So I'll just show you or give you the walkthrough regarding the test case that we prepared in the test plan module of the quality center. And then you can try to prepare some more test cases. And if you have any issues, you can let me know. Let me go to my quality center. Okay, so here I am into the test plan module. And yesterday I think we were working on some of the application. Was it the Bombino Express, this one? Yes? Okay. So I created here Bombino Express homepage load, wherein we have the details and then we have the design steps. So the first step that we need to do is go to the subject here, click on the folder and a new folder will get created. Okay. Then after that, under that folder, we start creating the test cases by clicking on the second button that you can see over here. So I have created the first one here, Bombino Express homepage load. We have the details, test Bombino Express homepage load. In the design steps, you click here on the first button to create the steps. We have created here the page load and then we have the precondition, test step and test data and then we have the expected result. Now after that we have the Our Services here. So if we move over the Our Services tab, you can see the rates option there. And then when I go to the rates, I click on the rates, then we will be able to see select country as US. And this is the result. Under this I create one more step. In case the user is selecting the country other than US. Okay. Country not USA. Then here again we have to write the same thing, the precondition. the test steps and the test data. So we write it. Precondition, test steps, test data. Write the precondition here. That is the Bombino Express rates click. Then you write the steps here. Select the country. Other than US. Test data. Select country. Let's say I click here. I enter here India. You can edit it. Then I write the expected result here. For the expected result, let me try to take from the document that we had already prepared. So enter the expected result. Click on the OK button. Do you see? I have created for the country USA and the country other than USA. So I have 3 steps over here. Now to create one more test case, I go here Bombino Express and then click here on the new step. And this time I create our services. Rates International. Select the level. Reviewed, not reviewed. Priority we select. Click on the OK button. Then click here on the new step and then start adding the steps. What is the next step? The user can enter the valid data. So we write all that. This is a step. Before this we have the precondition. And then we have the test data here. Then we have the expected. The rates will be displayed. So what is the step? This is our Bombino Express, our services, rates, international, valid data. Precondition is this one. In the our services we have the country, I can say it is USA. So I select this. And I can enter it here in the precondition. Okay. So again I create a new step here and go on entering the remaining values, remaining test cases. Can you try to do this one? Everybody? And there are some questions over here. Let me answer those questions, and all the participants try to create the test cases in the test plan, and if you have any questions, let me know. Okay? Okay, go ahead everybody, start creating the test cases in the test plan. Deepa, you should start creating the test cases. I'm here. Okay? Okay, Arul, you have written a question here. What is the purpose of requirement module? Do you remember we had prepared the requirement traceability matrix? What is the reason that we prepared the requirement traceability matrix? So that we list down all the requirements of the project that are to be tested, right? So the same reason is applicable here also. Okay, Karishma, you have some questions. Let me unmute you, Karishma, and you can please ask your questions. Yes, Karishma, you have questions? You can please go ahead.
Yeah, Priya, I'd like to share my screen too because I have to ask the question from there itself. Can you give me the permission for same?
Sure. Okay, Karishma, please go ahead.
Okay, so just hold on. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so Priya, I've already done with this, the test plan, what you are talking about, the Bombino Express. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
So first thing is that I just want to know, is the way what I'm going is that correct or not? Approach, I mean to say. Right, so in the requirement, see for the Bombino Express only, I have done this our services under rates. We have created like international, domestic, right, as like the same we did in Excel, the same things I'm doing it here. But is this the right approach to do the things for the requirement?
Yes,
okay.
Correct.
Okay, and whatever I'm writing in description, is that much only required, or do we have to write more in the requirement things?
No, it is same like your requirement document. Requirement traceability. As much as you write that, the same thing you have to write it here also.
Okay. Okay. So now when I go about test plan, see I've already prepared the test plan, same about the Bombino Express. We were discussing yesterday. First and the foremost question about here is that, can we create child requirements under this also, the same we used to do in the requirement thing?
No, here it is not possible, but we can create a child folder here. We cannot create a child test case.
Okay. See, the main thing was that first test case is like Bombino Express homepage load. The second one, when we are trying like this under quick user tools, the come as was in the page international, right, currency converter, right. So what I was trying to do is put this currency converter page under quick user tools. So what can be done for this?
No, you cannot do this. If you want, you can do one thing, okay? Under the Bombino Express, you can first create a folder called as Quick User Tools. And under that Quick User Tools folder, you can create the currency converter. But you cannot create a test case under a test case over here. It's not possible. Okay.
The reason
And
is
one
that
more
because
thing is,
these are
yeah, anyways, we are writing the precondition, right? Okay. So from there, we can track.
Okay. Now about the precondition only. See over there, we used to always the last step was the precondition, right? Again here, when I'm talking about the precondition, see I'm naming it as our services. Okay. So when I go to the international page, over there I'm writing the precondition as a rate page because the international gets opened by rates. Okay. So is this the name I am going to define now or something else?
No, not this name. See, what we did in the test case document that we were preparing, we wrote the test case ID there, right?
Right.
Here also you write the same thing.
So where do I write the ID?
You can write it in the precondition. Not here. You are writing the design steps precondition.
Okay.
Okay, write the ID here. Oh, for test case ID you are asking, you can write it in the step name itself.
In step
name?
Repeat again.
In the step name?
Step name.
The first
So
column is
instead of international, you mean to say instead of international, I should name it like an ID type?
Yes, you can do that. Do you see there is a first column step name? You can write it there, ID.
I can't see the step name. Right. Step name, right? I got it. Over here, right?
Yes.
So ID in the sense, like it has to, this name is not fine, international. I have to write it 001 or something like that?
No, we had the different format of writing the test case ID, right? That we learned while we were creating the test case.
Right, we used to mention it like that FR001 or FR001.A. So the same thing has to be followed here?
Correct.
But isn't it clear this is more defined and more descriptive?
Which one?
Like if I name it as an international or I name it as an valid step name.
So if you write like that, then how you will write the preconditions?
That was the question, main question. How will I write?
You should write the test case IDs, okay? If you are writing it descriptive, that is fine, but you know ID is a must, right, for a test case?
Okay, so say here only international only, with the international if I write here, say FR001 and the same thing I do it there. See like this and then I bring it here. Is that fine?
Yeah, that is also okay.
That is also okay. Okay, another question is that when I'm trying to look at the Excel sheet and when I'm trying to look at this environment, I'm fine with this environment as if now I'm comfortable, but thing is that what I'm feeling is that there's a lot of things we are missing from here. I mean to say like test data. There we used to write exactly where the test data need to be mentioned. Over here, where do we have to write about the test data?
See, in the description, I was showing you, right? We were writing the precondition, then we created the test steps and the test data. Not here in the description, not in this description. In the design steps, you have the description column.
Right.
So write the precondition, test steps and the test data here itself, like I was creating on my screen.
Okay, you mean to say first step name, then in the description only is this description what I have written is correct?
No. Here you have written the test step, this is fine, okay? But where is your test data? You can write the test data here in the description and you can write the, which is that one more thing, yeah, precondition also in the description only, okay? So for now, type the precondition, test steps and test data in the description itself, like I was doing on my screen. And then there are some more methods that we can use for that, which I'll be showing it later.
Okay. Okay, Priya, I'll just show you this page back again. See, you mean to say in this step name, this is like if I go to international, this is detail. Here I've written little bit description and then the precondition. My precondition is wrong. I'll correct it.
Okay, Karishma, 1 second. I'll come back to my screen. Okay, and I'll show you on my screen that I was creating. Just now I created, right? So I'll show you that one.
Okay. Okay.
Do you see here? Design steps, description column, precondition, test step, test data.
Okay. I got it.
Okay.
I got it. So this way we have to do write the precondition, then test steps, then the test data. Okay. Okay. So the same things. Okay, I can understand. By this way we are not missing anything, right? I got. And what about in the details things? Can you show me the Priya details?
Okay. In the details,
Sorry,
I can write the description over here, saying that this one tests the different ways in which the rates international can be used.
Okay.
Write the description.
Okay. Priya, can you go back to design steps again? I just want to look precondition once again. For rates international, the precondition is our services. We rate country USA. So why we have written is BOS, I mean is it this precondition? This is coming from what?
From here. I've given the test case ID, right? You had missed the test case ID. This is the reason we have given the test case ID, so that you know, for every next step we can have it as a precondition.
No, I just want to look back again at the previous one. This one, just hold on. So you said step name, rates, right? And the steps is a country, not USA, right? So the precondition. I got it, I believe. I got it, I believe. Let me try this, I believe I got it, this one.
Okay.
So this is again the design steps for our services, right?
Yes.
This is the design steps for our services, okay? Then the next test case is our services and rates, okay? That's what we did. Okay, so okay. So I got it. Where do I need to correct it? That's it. So this way we can put the test data also, test steps, precondition, everything comes down.
Yes.
Okay. I got it, Priya. That was the main, like I was like, when I was looking at Excel, looking here, I was thinking I'm missing some or other things.
Okay,
but
fine.
Might be my approach was little wrong, so that way I got it. Okay, thanks a lot, Priya, for this thing to clarify me this. Let me do some corrections in my document.
Sure.
Okay, thank you. Yeah,
welcome. Okay, Divya, you had some questions? I'm making you the presenter, Divya. Okay, Divya, tell me what are your questions?
Priya, I have done the Bambino Express currency converter. I have just tried few things, like I want to know whether I'm doing it right and I want to go ahead. Please can you check it once?
Okay, can you please open that?
Yeah, here it is like Bambino Express currency converter. Under that I made test cases like home page. I have not named the step, like step 1 it gave and I didn't know what should I do. Like step 1 I gave and description I have given precondition. Steps is like open the same like whatever I have done in the Excel sheet, I just copied it.
Yeah, that is correct.
And the test data I have given and expected I have given. So this all I have done in design steps. In detail, like test the Bambino Express homepage I have given.
Okay, yeah. Correct.
So this is So this is for the home page, and like for home page there is no need to change anything else. Should I do any changes?
Okay, here you write the test case ID in the test step name. Do you see here? You have the step name, the first one. Yes, in that you write the test case IDs. The IDs are missing.
How to do undo, Priya?
You use a backspace or a delete and then delete it. Okay, Divya. Or Control Z you can use.
Okay. Okay. Is this correct?
Yeah.
So now again I have done for the new test case. I have taken as quick user tools, and in that I have given in the design steps as usual the description, precondition, data, everything I have filled. I need to change the step name, right?
Yes, that is correct.
And expected and like after that valid, invalid, blank data and all, it will come under quick user tools, or it will be a different test cases?
Okay, see, under the quick user tools you create the separate one called as currency converter, and in that currency converter you add all those steps.
Again I should go to the new folder. I should create
you cannot do that. See, you go to the Bombino Express currency converter. Oh, you have created a separate folder for currency converter?
No, I have not done. Like I have just put the file name as Bambino Express currency converter.
Yeah, that's
I'm
what
giving
it means,
the test.
Right? Means you have created a separate folder for that currency converter. That's not required. See, you create a Bombino Express folder, that will be the main folder. Under that, if you want, you can create the quick user tools, which will be another folder, right? Under that quick user tools folder, you can create the currency converter test case.
Again, like I should go for the new test case. I should click on new test case, and I should I should put the data there. What you was telling, I didn't get you.
See, you can go and create a new test case now, and then you can add all the details about the currency converter.
I should give currency converter as the test case now.
Yes, the valid blank. Where are you going to enter that?
Under the currency converter?
Yes.
But this becomes like a new test case, and it shows in that case, that figure, it will show like that case thing only, right?
Yes, you have to create a new test case now. See, for home page you have created, quick user tools you created. Where are you going to write the currency converter?
Okay, I'll do that. And one more thing, these things like drop downs, can it be freezed all the time, like when we need for the same block, like basic, not reviewed?
See, this level means it is complexity. Okay.
Okay.
Level is a complexity. How much complex it is, you can write that. Medium, advanced, basic. So now here you start creating the steps for the currency converter, wherein you try to enter the valid amount, invalid amount and blank.
Okay. Here I should create a new steps. Details, again the design steps. Both I should use, right?
Yes.
Okay, Priya, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, Deepa, you had a question. Wait, Deepa, let me unmute you and you please ask your question. See your questions.
H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing, and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys, how we are different from our competitors. 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus, one-time fee and lifetime access to classes, access to recorded sessions of live classes. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For a free demo class, visit us at h2kinfosys.com.